That buzzer rang like thunder at the end of the line. Car washer screaming like it lost its mind. I was deep in trays, checking sheets, keeping count, but that cricket alarm from hell just wore me down. We all knew the sound, we all knew the chore, but everyone stared down at the floor. I looked up once and said it plain. I got it loud like it meant my name. I got it, I'll answer that call when the heat is high and the hours crawl. I got it for the team, for the fight, for the tech in the back and the case that's tonight. It ain't just a card, it ain't just a load. It's someone's mama on a patient table down the road. On the clean side we grumble, say this ain't fair, but on the dirty side they can barely find air. Carts piled high, nowhere to stand, hustling steel with burned out hands. Every load we unload means a break for them, a chance to move, a chance to win. And for the case pull crew waiting their turn, it's the bridge they need so those wheels can burn. I got it, yeah, I'll make the walk, through the water, through the beat, through the backstage talk. I got it, 'cause I know the stakes. It's more than a buzzer, it's a soul that breaks. For the heart of a patient I'll never see. I got it for them and for the best of me. Some folks hide, some folks wait, some say later, some blame fate, but someone's always gotta be the one to say I got it until the job is done.